Hello guys, how are you today? Welcome to a new video. Today I am going to talk about how to create a Microsoft account. For that we need a Gmail account that we have created before. So in the previous video I explained how to create a Gmail account correctly. So I say before watching this video, watch that video and create a Gmail account and come watch this video. Or if you already have a Gmail account, there is no problem. You can create a Microsoft account by giving it a detailer number. Okay, so let's go to today's video without much talk. Before going to the video, I would like to remind you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. That is a big help that you have done for me. So, without much talk, let's go to today's video. Okay, first of all, open a web browser on your computer. Then search in the search bar. Search for Create a Microsoft Account. Okay, click on the first link that comes up. You will see a tab called Create Your Microsoft Account open. Okay, now enter your email address here. If you don't have an email account, watch this video and create an email account. Type your email address here and see. And now, click Next. Now you will receive a verification code from the Gmail you provided. Enter that code here. Okay, now you will see a tab called Add Some Details Open. So enter your country and birthday here. Now, click Next. Okay, then we see that a tab called Advertisement Name is open, so give your first and second name here. Okay, then check the box below. Now, click the Next button. Then it shows us that it leads Prove You Are Human. Okay, so when we go down a little, we see a button called Press and Hold. Click on it and hold for a while, keep pressing and clicking. Okay, now we see that a new tab has opened. A quick note about your Microsoft account. So if you want to read this, click the OK button with a green arrow. Now your Microsoft account has been successfully created, so now it asks you to stay signed in. So give yes here. Okay, now we can see that we are logged into the home page of the Microsoft account we created. So after clicking on the profile icon here, we can see our Microsoft account. So if you like, add a photo here. Okay, that's it. So you can create a successful Google Microsoft account. So you can add that Microsoft account instead of the Microsoft account on your computer. So I think the video I brought today may be useful to you, okay? So, if the video was useful, like the video and subscribe to the channel. Then I will be gone for today. Everyone, have a good day.